So I've picked these 3 colors of pipe cleaners. So let's start. Taking 2 pipe cleaners first. We'll bend it in half. Again bend it in 2 equal halves. Then inserting the other pipe cleaner in between. And turning it upside down. Twisting it and bending it down. Now adjusting whole thing and securing it with the knot at the end. And I was making this for gifting purpose, and I chose this color because she likes purple a lot, so I went with this color. You can use any color you want. एंड ये पाइप क्लीनर्स मैंने मेरे यहाँ की लोकल शॉप से बाई की है. यू कैन बाई इट ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो, बट ऑनलाइन एंड मेरे यहाँ के लोकल स्टोर में मुझे सेम प्राइस दिखा रहा था, सो आई वेंट विद द लोकल शॉप. This is how the petal will look. Now let's take a yellow kite paper, roll it. This I am making for the stamens which are present in between the flowers. So rolling it properly, we will get something like this. We have to make 2-3 to look like stamens. Now taking all the petals I have made and then securing it with the green color pipe cleaner. We have to secure it tightly so it cannot move. And this is how the first flower will look. Let's make the second flower, which is the easiest one. We have to just roll it. You can take any pencil for support. I am rolling it with my fingers only. So securing it tightly again. So like this one, we will make other similar one also. Rolling it like this, twisting and securing it. These pipe cleaners are very fun to make. आप मतलब कोई भी शेप में आप ट्विस्ट करोगे वो हो जाता है. Now taking the other pipe cleaner, putting it in between and twisting it and securing it. Abhi we have to make these petals. Like this, one by one you have to take it out, separate it and twist it. So ready with the second flower. इसके बीच में you can stick any yellow color diamond or chart paper or something. Now let's make the last flower. ये first वाले जैसा ही है, थोड़ा similar. We have to fold it in 2 equal parts 3 times. And then again upside down and then securing it. So this petal will be smaller as compared to the first flower. So मैंने ये 3 petals का ही बनाया है. So ये final flower ऐसे turn out हुआ. Let me show you all the 3 flowers we had made till now. Second, and this is my favorite one. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is how the bouquet turned out. It's looking very, very pretty. For the first time I had made this and I am absolutely loving it. Do comment and let me know how do you all feel, and subscribe if you haven't.